Hi guys, I'm celebrity hairstylist Clayton Hawkins, and I'm here today to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. Well, it's Halloween season, and you know what that means. Pumpkins, ghoulies, and synthetic shiny looking wigs as far as the eye can see, but I'm here to help you with that. I'm gonna show you how to transform your cheap plastic looking wig into a work of Halloween art. So today we're working with this Hannah Montana looking monstrosity. She was only $18, and you get what you pay for. Right, I'm gonna put this wig on so you can see the before. Oh wait, you guys have never seen my real hair. I feel like you guys are always like, wait, is that his real hair? What's under there? I'll show you. But first of all, how cute is this? This is my little Elvira mullet Halloween boy vibe. I mean, it's cute. People are like, wait, why do you wear wigs? Because I want to. It's fun. I'm a wiggy. It's my form of art. Okay. This is bad. This is pretty bone chilling. I gotta take this off. Okay, so we're gonna be styling the wig off head today. The first thing that we gotta do is get rid of the shine. I mean, it looks radioactive in the camera. So first, you're gonna grab your dry shampoo. Okay, any dry shampoo works. And we're gonna spray it onto a brush. Now we're gonna brush the wig. All right, not a total Betty, but a vast improvement. We got rid of some of the shine, and actually the starches kind of took away some of the yellow and made it a little bit more platinum. So the next step we have is root realness. So I'm just gonna grab some dark brown root shadow, the kind that you use for gray hairs, and we're gonna paint on a little bit of a root right at the part. Now you can also use a brown eyeshadow or anything like that. Okay, so we've added the root, but now we're gonna add the part, okay? The scalp, the skin. I know this sounds clinical, so I'm just gonna grab this nude colored like eyeliner, and we're gonna paint on that little part line, okay? So now you're just gonna grab your root cover-up powder or your brown eyeshadow, and you're just gonna detail again that line, really fine-tune it. Now I'm just grabbing my thinning shears to get rid of any excess weight or bulk in the fringe. I'm gonna grab my feather razor. I love trimming my bangs with a feather razor because you don't have any hard lines. It's super diffused and light and, dare I say, wispy. I mean, I feel cute at the gig, but since you guys know I'm extra, I bought 2 wigs. Listen, they were just 18 bucks. I spent under $40, and what I'm gonna do is pin this one on top and stack it for extra volume. Okay, I'm switching wigs like it's the final climactic scene in Mrs. Doubtfire at the restaurant where he's trying to be with like the boss and his family the whole time. The whole time? I'm just gonna tease this back section right here so we can create a really good anchor to pin the wig into. And I'm just grabbing the second wig and I'm folding the front. And I'm just gonna grab these jumbo hairpins and we're just gonna pin this wig in. So the final step is that we're gonna add more of that brown root powder to the topper, and that's really gonna help blend this illusion, keep this fantasy going. And now I'm just adding a bunch of vintage Y2K hair accessories because sometimes more is more. I am feeling this rainbow bright xenon girl of the 21st century, Lizzie McGuire on acid, raver, Y2K fantasy. And you guys, the best part was it was so inexpensive. If you want to see more wildin' out videos like this, follow me on Instagram at Clayton Hawkins. Until next time, see ya.